on? GamingWithDred here, back again with another video, and today I have a keyboard over here, the FANTECH Fighter K611. It is a tournament edition gaming keyboard. That means that it's really compact. And let's just read a few of this stuff. Okay, so we have chroma backlighting, 19 key rollover, oops, kind of shook the camera for a while. Floating key architecture that makes it really good looking. It does have RGB, dual color injection, that's the keycap, and metal body, extreme durability. Okay, I'm already quite excited right now, so let's get on to this keyboard review. So first up, we start with the box. It is neatly packaged, I say. It's really good. You can see there's these two sides over here, and how they open it, you pull it from the back and then you put it on top like that, and then you open the box itself, and whoa, I'm actually quite surprised. This is covered with, what do you call this, foam pad? I think that's what you call it. So let's just take this keyboard out. Whoa ho ho, look at this keyboard. Okay, now first impressions, this is with the European ISO layout. Unfortunately, it's not with the ANSO layout, but whatever, I'm just excited. So I'll just plug this into my computer over here, just show you guys the RGB, and whoa, look at that. Whoo, dainty, man. So this keyboard is a membrane keyboard, but a gaming keyboard. Let me just adjust that for a while. It is quite well. It came off a price of 15 USD, and it is worldwide. You can ship to your country. If it doesn't have, if the company is not there, then you can ship it to your country. As for me, it is in my country, so they just deliver it right on my door on the first day when I bought this, which is yesterday. This thing came about a price of 15 USD. And regarding the price, holy crap, this keyboard is so dang good. It is membrane, as you can see. It has those kind of floating keycaps over there. It's floating, it means by it's just held up by the rubber dome. And there is chroma RGB, if I'm not wrong. You can hold the function key and the brightness, so you can set, there's 4 levels of brightness. So one really high, medium, low, and 0. No brightness at all. And it is really good sounding. Now get to that later. Now just put it back on, and then there you can also change the color schemes, like, you know, going this by just pressing the scroll wheel, and this one you need to press the function key and the page up and page down key. So you can just change. So there is 4 settings, which is 1 blank, nothing, 2 with colors, and then 3, you know, just swap the colors around. And for me, I like to go with the last one because it's really vibrant. And what you can also do is change it to kind of chroma, you know, going around. So what you can do is that pressing the function key and the scroll key, and there you go, it just scrolls around every single color with this really good light effect. And since I know you guys are dying just to see just to hear the sound test of this keyboard, and I'll do it. Okay, now here's a short test of all the keys. Oh, this thing is loud. This this is a membrane keyboard, as I've said, so there's not that kind of those kind of clicky sounds, but this does sound like the Cherry MX Brown, but much more tactile than ever, because the Cherry MX Brown is like linear, and so you can just press it down, but this has a tactile feeling. And according to the box, if I'm not wrong, it says it has a 45 grams of trigger presence. So 45 grams, quite good for a membrane keyboard. I'm not disappointed by this. Yeah, basically that's it. So this keyboard, recapping, has a metal frame. Alright, I didn't say about that, but whatever. It has a metal frame. You can change the brightness of the keyboard, 4 settings. You can change the color of the keyboard for 4 times, like 4 schemes, 2, 3, 4, and then you can also change it to chroma. Basically, oh yeah, right, I forgot to mention that these keys are not individually backlit, so there is no software. It's portable, it's compact. This is a TKL keyboard. There is no numpad on the right hand side. And yeah, that's basically it. I also like how they use the PBT keycap. If I'm not wrong, they use the PBT keycap. It has a 19 keys anti-ghosting. That means if you mash on 19 keys, all those 19 keys will be registered on the computer that you're using, but there wouldn't be an instance where you need more than 8 keys to be exact. So that's it, and thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, the like button also if you really do like it. The information, all of this will be on the description below. And I forgot to mention that this is really ergonomic. Like there's that kind of slanted, it's not, yeah, that's kind of slightly inclined surface of the keyboard, and I cannot stop typing on this because it's just that sound, man. Okay, enough of that. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, help me reach 500 subscribers, and all the detail, as I said, would be on the description below. And their website is basically Instagram, basically. So there's Instagram Brunei, Indonesia, and worldwide. So if you're in the US and you want this keyboard, it's only for $15, $15, yeah, something like that. Make sure to get it. Support the creators, support FANTECH. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.